I just can't remember the last time that I went into a Saks. And that last time I went to a Saks, rest assured that I didn't buy anything. It has not been a good customer experience. The inventory is not where it needs to be, and they're just saddled with debt.
Brian, keep in mind, it's not just Saks Fifth Avenue. It's also Neiman Marcus. It's Last Call. It's a slew of different brands that operate under Saks Global that did file for bankruptcy. And it really comes after they struggled to pay off that $2.7 billion acquisition of Neiman Marcus that closed in late 2024. And then, based upon what we're hearing as of the latest, that led to a $100 million missed interest payment. And so that's really where we're seeing this now securing of a $1.75 billion financing commitment within this Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And this really comes at a time, as you just said it yourself, Americans have just so much more, a plethora of other opportunities to go and shop. Warehouse and off-price and thrift stores are on the rise, but also think about those other retailers that have really merged since Saks Fifth Avenue was that go-to. And so really, as former Neiman Marcus CEO now takes the helm after a double CEO departure over the last few weeks alone, there's going to be a need to innovate and to modernize these stores under this portfolio.
And a belated thank you to the Yahoo Finance producer team. I don't know where the hell they found that tin chart, but that is good stuff. Art, back to you on Saks here. I thought a higher stock market meant rich people were going to go head to Saks and buy handbags.
Yeah, I think rich people have moved on from Saks and Neiman Marcus. I think rich people are just as choiceful as consumers over the course of the last 5 years. And I certainly think putting Saks and Neiman Marcus together, as you said at the open, was like tying two rocks together to see if they would float. So it was a bad idea from the start, and it's saddled with debt. This is the end result.
Do you view the bankruptcy of Saks as indicative of more to come in the retail space this year? I would say more on the lower end because of pressure on that consumer with regards to various prices for food and other daily necessities.
Yeah, I'll tell you this. If you look at the last 12 months and the retailers that have done well, it's the off-price folks like the TJX of the world, one of the best performing retailers out there. You continue to see Walmart and Costco do very well. So I think if you're going to focus on retailers this year, I think, again, you want to look and understand that the choiceful consumer is going to continue to look for bargains, and they're out there to be had. TJX is one of our favorite names.